Welcome to my channel English Grammar, Simple Grammar. We are discussing about parts of speech. So previous classes we are discussed about how many parts of speech, what is parts of speech, what is word, what is sentence. Now I am going to teach noun. So we already discussed previous class noun. What is noun? So noun is a word which uses in the name of a person, place or thing. I given already examples also. Now today I am discussing about kinds of noun. Kinds of noun. So noun not only one word, it divided into four kinds. Number one is proper noun. Number two, common noun. Number three, collective noun. Number four, abstract noun. Yes, proper noun. So what is proper noun? Proper noun is own names itself called proper noun. So examples, proper names Raghu, Ravinder, Sita, Geeta, Rama, Lakshman, Lavanya, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, etc. So these are proper names. That's why we call proper noun. So we are saying proper names. That is why we call proper noun. Yes, common noun. Second one is noun, kinds of nouns. Second one is common noun. So I will give small definition about common noun. So the noun which say in common, general, that means either male or female, both are called one name, that is called common. So common noun. So I am giving definition. Common noun, a common noun which used either male or female is called common noun. So the noun word which we say common, either male or female, both are called one word, that is called common. That's why we are calling common noun. Examples: milk, table, chair, water, etc. So either male or female, both are called common word, that is milk. So if you say woman called milk and male called curd is not good, that is called common. Both are same, both are saying one word, that is called common. So example I am giving: milk, table, chair, water, etc. These are called common nouns. So yes, kinds of noun. Third one is collective noun. So you know what is the meaning of collect? That means some pieces we collect one place, that is called collect. So here noun collect means some persons gather one place, that is called mob, crowd, that means mela, that means cattle, that means fleet. These are called collective nouns, because collection of people, collection of cattle, collection of table, collection of bench, collection of army soldiers, collection of school children, these are called collective noun. I will give small example, definition. 0. So collection of noun is called collective noun. So collection of people, So some people gather one place, that we call crowd. So crowd word is, here it's come collective noun. So collection of people is called crowd, that is called collective noun. So second one is collection of people, crowd, mob. Some melee is going on, that is called mob. So some soldiers are doing march fast, that is called army. So second one is collection of animals, that is cattle. So animals are gathered one place, that is called cattle. So collection of plants, plants, some plants are there one place, that is called garden, that is also called collective noun. So these are the collective noun examples. So briefly I am discussing, not going through detail. Briefly I am discussing. Collective noun means collection of people, collection of soldiers, collection of plants, collection of animals. These are called, collection of animals are called cattle, collection of soldiers are called army, collection of people are called crowd, mob, whatever it may be. So collection of plants are called garden. So these are collective nouns. Yes, kinds of noun. Last one is, fourth one is abstract noun. So you know what is the meaning of abstract? That means, abstract means drawing briefly, saying briefly is called abstract. So I am giving small definition. An abstract noun relates status, position is called abstract. Status, that means what status did he live, what status he is going on, that is called abstract. I am giving some example. Poorness, weakness, sickness, darkness, richness, richness. So abstract noun is relates, shows position and status is called abstract. So example I am giving, poorness. Poorness also, one poor man, he is also noun. So it shows status. What status did he have? He is a poor man, he is a rich man, he is a, so position, darkness, weakness, and sickness, is not wealth, is not healthy. So he is sickness, darkness, richness. These are called abstract noun. Viewers, these are called kinds of nouns. Lastly, we discussed abstract noun. So I briefly explained now kinds of noun. So dear viewers, if you like my lessons, grammar, simple grammar, so going through and continuous next classes. So if you like my lessons, you please subscribe and share and like it